This is the Christian way of calling people to worship. Oh, that is interesting. I want to do that. Keep pulling the string. Now listen to the Muslim way of calling people to prayer. Oh.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدًا رسول الله أشهد أن محمدًا رسول
It's like he's just singing, you know. It's just like he's just like singing a song. I mean, singing his prayers or singing his azan, you know.
أشهد أن محمدًا رسول الله حي على الصلاة.
Like his destruction coming. Like he's wiping out the whole place. So I kind of wonder, is it loud enough to call people? Because I see with the Christian azan, I guess how they was doing theirs, I'm guessing they was calling people with the bell. I guess it reached a louder distance, I'm assuming. And here, he just singing on the mic, so I don't know if he's reaching. I don't really know if he's reaching somebody that's extremely far out, but.
حي على الفلاح. حي على الفلاح.
Yeah.
حي على الفلاح. الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله.
Oh my god. Okay. That guy, the way, oh my god, the ending, that got me bomb.
Definitely did it completely different. I mean, yeah, I mean, like I said, I never seen people, Catholics, I mean Christians, do it like that. You know, just bring the bell. I don't do it. You know, I just pray. You know, but you know, just bring the the bell down. The one dude, like, he was kind of bored, and he was like, ugh, ugh, ugh. And you got the guy that's a Muslim. He's like, it's like he's singing it out and stuff like that. Like, you know, singing his voice. His voice sounds nice, man. I bet he's a good singer too. It's like he got some. It's like it sounds like he definitely got a good voice, and he definitely has some high notes, man. So that was definitely pretty interesting to watch, man. Very interesting to watch. You know,
like the voice, like it's so on the video, even the video, like. The video while he was playing, the video is just like, I just can't, like, what the heck. That blew my mind. Like, we can literally see the difference. I respect both. I literally respect all religion. I don't care what type of religion you are. Like, you could be literally worshipping a rock. I could care less. Like, just respect me and I'll respect you, you know, like kind of thing like that. But oh my god, that blew me away. I mean, oh gosh, that, especially the ending, that literally gave me a goosebump. And his voice, and he looks so hot, by the way. Like, I was staring at his beard, and his soul was coming into my heart, girl. Like, I couldn't, like, oh girl, I know now why you guys suggested me to react to this, because that was a great video.